The recording test. Eyes on camera, eyes on screen, eyes on camera, eyes on camera. Alright, that's good enough. What's up? So today we're gonna be going over some 3D printing. What's up? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all some modeling, some 3D modeling I did, painting. So let's check this out. So it's a 120 scale Geara Doga head. Modeled in Autodesk Fusion 360, pretty much what I modeled everything in. I printed that out on my Flash Forge printer. I printed out about 4 of them, but Flash Forge printer, monoprice printer, DaVinci 1.0, first DaVinci that came out. Let's check out the other models that I printed out. Back into my closet, my workspace, stations, electronics, anyways. Printed that out on a resin printer. It's small, but as you can see, it picks up details nicely. So that's why I printed this one out, just to make sure that it looks nice. That's that. Oh, by the way, this was on a monoprice resin printer. Printed this one out on the DaVinci 1. A basic model before I did all the panel lines and all that extra stuff. This one, which I printed out on the Flash Forge, came out pretty well. The complete model of it. Basically the same thing. Yeah, basically the same thing. But yeah, I printed out another one, multiple parts on that one, because it was kind of hard for me to get up in those parts and sand that properly. Well, I didn't have proper tools either, but yeah. So I say, well, print this out, multiple parts. Multiple parts, as you can see, it's a gap in between those. That's a different part. This is a different part. That's a different part. Pretty much everything is a different part. I think it came out pretty nice though. The modeling process was difficult. I mean, at first I modeled everything. Well, let me talk about the paints I used. So I got all my paints from USA Gundam. The way I was able to model that was went ahead and bought me a Geara Doga, took the head off, and you can see how much different this head is with minor details versus this. A lot more details, a lot of different added parts. But yeah, so got all my paints from USA Gundam stores. Base, surface of black, with some Alcad too, stainless steel, SMS clear orange, and whatever, it's not going to focus, and SMS clear pink. So basically that purple, this purple is clear pink over clear orange. But yeah, so that's the model. This is my closet. It's a pretty decent sized closet. So modeling and paint. When I decide to sew some more things, paint. My model boxes, kind of model boxes. Paint station or microphone if I feel like recording anything. Electronics, parts and paint. Hobby stuff. You get the picture. yeah, so that's that.
Alright, that's it. A lot of different iterations, a lot of save files, a lot of parts in this model. I can't really show you everything I did because I cleared the capture history to make it cleaner and more streamlined. I don't know what the next video will be on, but until then, take it easy.